Welcome again to Tech class with the IT Jam Baptist. Today we are going to learn about Google Sheets Part 3. I recommend you to watch the previous 2 lessons. So today we are going to continue to the previous lessons you have seen before. Today we are going to see how we can insert columns and rows, how we can delete column and row, how we can hide and unhide columns and rows, how we can download Google Sheets to Excel or to PDF, and how we can share Google Sheets to email or on WhatsApp. And we will see how we can protect sheets and ranges, and we will see how we can duplicate, copy, name, hide, and hide sheets. So I recommend you to follow this tutorial until the end. So let us start. How can we insert column in this Google Sheets we have created? So we are going to add another column here by selecting this way, and we come here on all borders like this. As you can see, the column is added. You can also change the color here like this. Also you can change the color like this. So we are going to add another column. Maybe we want to add another subject, but this let me add here. You click in the column letter like this, then you right click like this. So they are giving you options. They are asking you if you want to cut, copy, paste, paste special, and so on. But for this time we are going to add a column. Add the column. We are going to add the column left. You can add it left or right. You can even delete a column, or you can even clear the data. You can hide it, you can resize the column, and so on. So let me create another column left. I click here. As you can see, another column is coming like this. You can even change the color to white like this. Here there is conditional format, but you can remove it by selecting like this. Then we come back to format, come to conditional formatting, and we delete this. So now I'm removing conditional formatting, because when you add another column, sometimes can take the formulas which are in the next column. So let us call this column like age. This one, Manzi has like 12 years old, 11, 10, 13, 12, 14, 10, 9 is an example I'm giving you here. This one has 10 also, 12, 13. This one, let me call this column I'm adding here. I call it blank like this. As you can see, the students on descending order. This is number 1, this is number 2. Next, select the color set 1 and set 2. Then I apply autofill like this. I can also put this into center alignment, and even put it in the italic like this, and I can also change the color of this. So now I'm adding the columns. I can also add a row. For example, I can come here, select here in this number showing the row, then I right click like this. They are asking me if I want to insert a row above or below. So this time let me choose below. Let me add another student. Another student is called the another student is called Diane. Okay, let me write in capital letter Diane. Diane, like this. Is also a female. Has 12 years old. Here has 56. 67, 89, 69, 80. Also here I'm going to apply this formula here for her by using autofill. Also here I use autofill like this. The marks will automatically be inserted. So here she has 72.2. This one is number 11, and this one is number 12. So there's another way you can apply the rank formula automatically. We will see it in the next video in part 4. So this is how you can add a column and a row. You can also remove it. How can you remove it or delete it? You click on the number that shows a row, then right click there, then you click on delete. You click on delete row. Also the same to the column. You click on the letter that shows a column and right click there, then you can see option saying delete column. You can also hide columns and rows. For example, I'm going to hide this column of age. Alright, I click here on this letter that shows the column and right click there, and I choose option called hide column like this. Once I hide the column, you can see the symbol here up. So you can also unhide it. You can unhide it by clicking on this icon like this. You can also undo the action. Another thing you can do here, for example, I want to hide this column, this sheet number 1. I right click on it, then I click on hide sheet like this. Now my sheet is hidden. You can also unhide your sheet. How can you do it? You click on this menu that's showing you all sheets like this. Once you click on it like this, it comes back. So that is how you can unhide your sheet. You can also add more sheets on this workbook by clicking on a plus sign. Once I click on a plus sign like this, another blank sheet can be added. So that is how you can do it. Let us continue to the next. I hope you have seen how you can do this. I'm going to show you how you can download Google Sheets and it comes as Excel spreadsheet. So you come here on file like this, then you are seeing the download. Once you come this way, they are giving you options. Download as Microsoft Excel, as open document, as PDF, as web page, comma separated values, tab separated values. So here, once you choose Microsoft Excel, your Google Sheets can be downloaded as Google Sheets and can come offline. That is how you can do it. You can also download it as a PDF. Once you click here on PDF, immediately like this, they're asking you if you want the current sheet to be downloaded as a PDF. Once I click on next like this, they are allowing me to download these Google Sheets into PDF. As you can see, it is opening automatically. It is converted into PDF. When I open my file explorer like this, I can find it in the download folder. Like it is right here in the download folder. I can see that file. So let us continue. Another way you can use Control P. Control P, it is print. It can also show you options. Here there is an option called current sheets. I can also select the workbook. When I select the workbook, it can bring all the sheets I have created on this workbook. So here I can also choose the size. And I see the sizes for my document. If it is A4, A3, A5, B4 like that. But in this case, let me choose A4. You can choose to print or save in landscape or portrait. As you can see here, the changes. You can also change the scale like this. This is for normal, fit, and like this. You can also change margins here, normal, narrow, wide, custom numbers, and so on. So you choose the narrow when you are having a lot of data on a sheet, and they are scattering when you are going to print. But here I don't have a lot of things. I choose a normal page. So you can also go on formatting and show grid lines or don't show grid lines. You can also show notes about the sheets, and you can also align the content in the sheets. Here down there is also what you call headers and footers. Once you click there, you can see these options. You can print sheets showing the page numbers, workbook title, sheet name, current date, and current time. For example, when I choose here page number, as you can see, the page number is coming here. When I choose workbook title, let me show you the title of the workbook is coming here. When I choose sheet name, also the sheet name is coming. Also when I choose current date, the current date also is coming here, right here down. When I choose also current time, the time can come here. So it depends on what you want. And another thing here, The frozen, they are saying this row and column headers, repeat frozen rows and repeat frozen columns. Also you can choose it if you want. So that is how you can do it. When you choose the next, it can also give you options if you want to print. Here you can see the installed printers. You can also choose your document to be PDF. You can allow the sheets to come in colors or in black and white. So that is how you can do it. If you want, you can print or you can cancel the command. So now let me show you how you can share your Google Sheets. There is a way you can do it. Number one, you can share it by email. When you come here to share and you click here like this, they give you options here. When you click here, add people, here you add the email of a person. For example, let me use this email, Jean Baptiste Bizimana 79 at gmail.com. So this is a person I'm sharing the Google Sheets. There's something you have to pay attention to. Here there are options. You can share your sheets and you allow a person to be a viewer. A viewer can see the content but cannot change it. A commenter can comment only on the data in the sheets. Also can choose someone to be an editor. An editor can change everything. So let me allow this person to be a viewer. Then I can write a short message like, please open this Google Sheets. It has essential information. This is an example of the short message you can send to someone who will open this Google Sheets. Once I click on send, this person can see the invitation on email. Another thing here, you can allow any person to open this Google Sheets by clicking here, and you allow anyone with the link. When you allow anyone with the link like this, any person with a link can open this. But it's not safe all the time, especially when the information is very important for some people. Also, you can allow everyone to be a viewer, commenter, or editor. But this time, I don't want anyone to open these sheets. That's why I'm clicking on restricted. And once you do something here, you click on done. Another thing, you can remove a person on your Google Sheets. Once I click on this person like this, they can give me options. Transfer ownership is to giving this person ownership for the Google Sheets, or I can click on remove. Once I click on remove, it means that I'm removing access to this person. Okay, then I click on done. Another thing, let me show you how you can share these sheets or workbook to another person by using WhatsApp. Nowadays, many people here in our country use WhatsApp. You can see the number of people who use WhatsApp is bigger than the number who use emails. People have emails but don't know how to use them. But most of the people know how to use WhatsApp. So you come here, you copy link, or you come here on share, you copy the link here. But first of all, for a person to open the Google Sheets, that person must have access before. You give him or her access before by using email. Then you give a link to that person. Once I copy the link like this, and I come to WhatsApp. WhatsApp is automatic here. I install it in my computer. This person is called the Jump Artist. It's right here. Write a short message. Please open this Google Sheet. Then I click on space bar to leave a space between the message and a link. Once you forget to separate a link and a message, your link cannot be live. So then you click on Control and V, that means paste. So once your link is in a green color, it means that your link is live. Then you click on share. So what does it mean? When a person clicks or taps on this link, immediately can open the document I have shared with him. That is it. So let me come back on my Google Sheet. Now let me show you how you can protect your sheets. This sheet, I can rename it. For example, first of all, I call it, for example, Max. Then I want to protect it. So even if a person has access on this document, when I right click on this and I go to protect the sheet like this, and I come here to set permission, and I click here. When I click on custom, and I write, they can allow me to share this protection to someone, but I don't want anyone to edit it. I want to lock it forever, except when I add an email of a person who can edit it. Once I add the email of a person here, that person also can get access to this, but I don't want any person to change it. Then I click here on done. So it means that I'm only the person who can edit it. So as you can see, there is a lock. This lock means that this sheet is protected. I can also protect a range. For example, I want this range of total and percentage to be protected. I select it like this one. I right click, then I go on. I click on view more cell actions. Then I click on protect range. Once I click on protect range and I go on set permissions, here I can also allow people to change it or deny access of changing this information here. Once I want any person to edit it, I can click here and I go to custom and add the email of that person, but I don't want anyone to change this content. That's why I'm protecting it. As you can see here, there's a protection. It means that no one can change this marks here or this data which is here. So that is how you can do it. You can also see more options, like once you click on a sheet like this, right click on it, you can see options like delete, duplicate, copy to, rename, change color, protect the sheet, hide, move right, and so on. So there are many options you can recommend it with Google Sheets because you can control it and share it with any person you want. Thank you so much for watching today's lesson. See you next time.